Good morning, student. Welcome to social science class. Better take a look at your SST book. Name of your social science book is We and Our World. So today we are going to start with chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is The Family. So let us start the chapter. We live in our home with the members of our family. Our parents love and care for us. They cook tasty meals for us. Our grandparents are always ready to tell us stories. All our needs are fulfilled within the family. So beta, in this chapter we are going to study about family. We all live in our home with the family members, and what they do, our parents love and care for us. They cook tasty meals for us. And our grandparents, what they do, our grandparents are always ready to tell us stories, moral stories, and all our needs are fulfilled within the family. So beta, do you know what is a family? Do you know beta what is a family? A group of people who live together as they are related to each other by birth or marriage or adoption form a family. The family in which group of people who live together and they are related to each other by birth, by marriage or by the adoption forms a family, in which two or more people live together with love and kinship. And beta, in our family, each member of the family is equally important and special. Family member can look like or different. Family member help each other. Family members celebrate occasion together. So what is a family? Now you understand what is a family? A family in which two or more people live together by love or kinship. So firstly look at the video and listen carefully. After that we read this lesson.
Father, mother and children make a family. Every person in the family is known as a family member. Mother and father are called parents. Types of families. A small family has mother, father, and one or two children. It is also called nuclear family. A large family has mother, father, and more than two children. A single parent family has either mother or father and children. A joint family has grandparents, father, mother, children, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Do you know who are uncles and aunts? Brothers of your mother or father are called your uncles. Sisters of your father or mother are called your aunts. Children of your uncles and aunts are called your cousins. Members of a family also have a common name or family name. It is called the surname. Some common surnames are Singh, Sharma, Gupta, Khan. Role of family members. Members of a family live together. They love and help each other in times of need. Every member of the family plays an important role. Parents take care of the home, food, clothes, and education of their children. They teach them good manners and help them become good citizens. Father earns money. He helps children in studies. He also also helps mother in the household work. Mother looks after the household. She cooks food for the family. She helps children in studies. Some mothers also work. Children also help the parents in the house. They study and obey their elders. You can all make your parents happy if you obey them, respect them, love them, help them, and do well in study.
So beta, I hope now you have understood clearly what is a family. Understood what is a family? A family in which two or more members live together, and each family member is important and special. But beta, some members of our family may not live with us. We enjoy meeting them at family functions or festivals. Beta, some members of family can't live with us, but they come and enjoy at our family functions or festivals. Vishu's family. Vishu's mother took him to her parents' house in Lucknow in summer vacation. She promised to take him to all those places which she had loved as a child. Vishu's mother could not go with them. Vishu's father could not go with them. He is a soldier in the Indian Army. He had to attend a training program in Hyderabad. So beta, where does the maternal family of Vishu live? Vishu's in the Lucknow. So Vishu's mother took him to her parents' house in Lucknow, and she promised to take him to all these places had loved as a child. But Vishu's father couldn't go with them. Because why beta? Vishu's father could not go with them. Why? Because he is a soldier in the Indian Army and he had to attend the training program that is held in the Hyderabad. Now, Vishu's grandparents, Mrs. and Mr. Ajay Sharma, are wonderful people. Before marriage, Vishu's mother's name was Manmeet Sharma. After marriage, she is known as Manmeet Singh, and Singh is the surname of Vishu's mother. So beta, what is a surname? Do you know what is a surname? A surname is the family name and it is used after the first name. So that in which Vishu's grandparents, Mrs. and Mr. Ajay Sharma, are very amazing people. Before marriage, Vishu's mother name was Manmeet Sharma. Vishu's mother known as a before marriage, Vishu's mother name was Manmeet Sharma. But after the marriage, she is known as Manmeet Singh. Why beta? Why she is known as a Manmeet Singh? Why? Because Singh is the surname of Vishu's father. Now, Vishu loves his grandparents very much. His grandmother runs a training center to teach embroidery to women from a nearby slum. She sells their goods to a handicraft center, and this helps them to earn money. So what does Vishu's grandfather do? His grandmother runs a training center. Which training center? Training center to teach embroidery to women, to poor women. She sells their goods and to a handicraft center, and this helps them to earn money. So beta, do you know our mother's parents are our maternal grandparents, and our father parents are our paternal grandparents. Our mother parents are maternal grandparents and father parents are our paternal grandparents. Okay beta, now Vishu's grandfather teaches yoga in a park in the morning and evening. He guides the people to follow correct eating habits for a healthy life. Now what does Vishu's grandfather do? Yes, Vishu's grandfather teaches yoga in a park. Look at the picture. Teaches yoga in the park. He guides park in the morning and the evening. He guides the people to follow correct eating habits for a healthy life. Vishu's mother completed her schooling and college from Lucknow. She is a trained Manipuri dancer. Now she teaches Manipuri dance to children in Jaipur. Vishu's grandparents told him that Manmeet, his mother, was a naughty child. She loved to climb on jamun tree and pluck raw jamuns to eat with salt. Now, Vishu's mother. What does Vishu's mother do? Vishu's mother firstly completed her schooling and college, and now she is a trained Manipuri dancer and she teaches Manipuri dance to children in Jaipur. Vishu's grandparents told him that Manmeet was a very naughty child and she used to climb on jamun tree and eat raw jamuns with salt. Every morning, Vishu's grandmother washes the veranda with a broom and then makes beautiful designs of rangoli on the wet floor. Vishu also learned to make rangoli from his grandfather. Beta, do you know what is a rangoli? Do you know, beta? Beta, rangoli is the art of making beautiful designs on the floor with colors, flowers, etc. So every morning Vishu's grandmother firstly washes the veranda with a broom. Broom means jharu, and then makes beautiful designs of rangoli. And Vishu also learned to make rangoli from his grandmother. Vishu learned many things in Lucknow. Vishu and his parents also had their meals on the dining table, but his grandparents sit on mats and eat their food in the kitchen. His grandfather says that sitting cross-legged while eating is good for digestion. Once the meal is over, everyone puts the dirty dishes near the water taps. His grandfather rolls the mats and keep them on the shelf in the kitchen. Now, Vishu learnt many things in the Lucknow. Vishu and his parents always had their meals on the dining table, but Vishu's grandparents sit on mats and eat their food in the kitchen. But Vishu's grandfather says that sitting cross-legged while eating is good for the digestion. And once the meal is over, everyone means his mother, grandmother, puts the dirty fishes near the water tap. His grandfather roll the mat and keep them on the shelf on the kitchen. Vishu learnt yoga from his grandfather, and he also learnt to sew button on his shirts. So, beta, now you will read rest of part we will read tomorrow. Okay, beta? Thank you.